I just had to let you know you're.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम, हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज की वीडियो में हम चेक करेंगे कि कन्वीनियंस स्टोर में आप कौन कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स जो हैं वो आप खा सकते हैं और कौन कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स जो हैं जिनमें मीट होता है तो वो आप नहीं खा सकते एज अ मुस्लिम। तो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू हाउ यू कैन ईजिली आइडेंटिफाई अ प्रोडक्ट विद मीट एंड अ प्रोडक्ट विद नॉट मीट। मुझे मीट मतलब जिस प्रोडक्ट में मीट है उससे कोई दुश्मनी नहीं है। ऑनेस्टली दिस वीडियो इज़ नॉट फॉर एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ एनी हेट टूवर्ड नॉन halal meat eaters. It's just an informational video for my Muslim people. I will try my best to share as honest information as I can. I will attach picture here of the words thakogi, twejigogi, sogogi, seu, kirigo, ojingo. So these are like 4 to 5 words that if you like memorize, it will be easy for you to like check any product in convenience store. So the first one is thakogi. Thakogi means chicken. Sogogi means beef. Twejigogi means pork. Ojingo means squid. I forget the last one always. क्या कहते हैं उसको? सेव मीन्स श्रिम्प। इफ़ यू लाइक वेजिटेरियन, आपको एक और वर्ड जो कि खेरान मीन एग्स। तो ये 4 से 5 चीज़ें हैं। सबसे पहले जो है हम रामेन का सेक्शन देखते हैं। रामेन का सेक्शन जो है ऑनेस्टली इसमें 90% जो है इस सब में मीट होता है, तो आप कंज्यूम नहीं कर सकते। तो अभी हम देखते हैं कि क्या हालात चल रहे हैं अभी इनके। तो लेट्स सी। अब जैसे ये रामेन हो गया तो this contains it contains pork and beef. Let's pick this one. Famous, ये बहुत famous है. Let's see this one, and as you can see it also contains beef and pork. Let's say this one, fulda carbonara. This one contains chicken and beef. Yeah. ये cheese, it looks normal. It looks like it doesn't have any meat, but let's see. Look at this. It contains chicken and beef. In beef or any sort of meat. You can see here chicken and beef. Let's see. Let's see this one. See, it also contains pork and beef. So jin ramen, as you can see. Jin 없어요. Jin. Wait, the other one has jin on it. This one. Yeah, you can see. It contains chicken, pork, beef. I can't eat this. These, as I said, 90% all of them contains meat. I'm going to attach some pictures and the label where it says the meat. अभी हम देख रहे हैं कि कौन कौन से नूडल्स में नहीं है कोई मीट। लेट्स सी द वंस दैट आई हैव ईटन पर्सनली। दिस वन इट्स कॉल्ड बेहोंगडोंग एंड इट डजंट कंटेन एनी मीट। तो मैंने आपको पहला तो बता दिया ये बेहोंगडोंग, दिस हैज़ नो मीट, सो यू कैन ईट दिस वन. The other one is this bibimbap. Okay, this is how it looks, as you can see. These two, Meptang by Samyang. these also do not contain meat but seafood. If you choose this one, this doesn't contain any seafood. It doesn't have any meat and it also doesn't have any seafood, so you can also consume this one. Bibimbap, yeah, see, it doesn't contain any meat, so you can consume this. All of these contain meat, even the Shin Ramyeon, you can see. See, it says 돼지고기. So yeah, flavors you can consume. No, this has pork and beef. This one has beef, this one, and let's see, अब ये भी देख ही लेती हूँ मैं. It contains beef, so yeah, you can't eat this. ये जो कि लग रहा है एक सी फूड वाला, इसमें देखते हैं. This also contains 돼지고기, although it's a seafood ramen. Now स्वीट्स, और फिर उसके बाद हम जाएंगे स्नैक्स की तरफ. सबसे पहले तो इनका जो कि फेमस है चोकोबी. So this Shinchan one, it's also, I tried it, it's yummy, delicious. It contains shellfish, which is a seafood, so you can consume this one. So yeah. उसके बाद खंचो, remember Jungkook इसमें से अपना नाम ढूंढ रहा था. I also tried this once and I couldn't find his name. Khuncho also does not contain any meat. उसके बाद the one that is, or maybe like हम हमेशा एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते कि नहीं होगा, तो इसमें ये है चोको पाई, Orion Choco Pie, yeah. And as you can see, the first signal is a long highlighting, और उसके बाद है यहाँ पे 돼지고기 and sogogi. ये दोनों प्रोडक्ट सेम हैं, सेम ब्रांड के हैं, but one is cheese and I don't know what this means. Pasaksaru, I don't know what this means. So yeah, we'll just say kamja kurata. Oh my god, let's not talk about our my Korean. तो उसके बाद ये दो different products हैं, but one does contain meat and one does not contain meat. This one, it contains 돼지고기, beef and pork and squid also, and shrimp also. So this one on the other hand does not contain any meat. As you can see, it does not contain any meat. So you can, this is currently my favorite one. My previous favorite one was this one, nachos. एक ये sour cream है, और एक जो है वो है cheese. The cheese one contains meat, but this one does not. Nacho 92, it does not contain meat. You can see, yeah. उसके बाद this one, I haven't tried it because it does contain meat. Yeah, you can see the long highlighted, फिर आप समझ जाएंगे कुछ तो गड़बड़ है दया. It contains beef and chicken. Yeah, I have tried these, not these, all of them. Yeah, this one, it did not contain any meat, so yeah. ऊपर से इसमें है, oh, इसमें नहीं है, oh, okay. I remember one time I was eating one of these, and one of my friends said, oh, it contains meat, and I'm like, no, it doesn't contain meat. And then, okay, so you can see this one contains beef. So I told him, no, it doesn't contain, and he saw the packaging and he was like, oh, okay, दूसरा इसी का जो दूसरा फ्लेवर है उसमें मीट होगा. I have tried this one. It tastes like Lay's. So the alternative for Lay's, you shouldn't be missing Lay's because it tastes exactly like that. So why not choose something better? So I have also tried the onion one, but my favorite one is the original one. So okay, it's like flavored milk. So flavored yogurt, flavored milk, protein milk type. This one is not safe. It contains beef. So yeah. See this product, cookies and cream. It looks delicious, but is it really? It contains, as you can see here, sogogi. Yum se matcha cream bread, and I hope now you can read. Okay, so I came with more products. वन थिंग एक बार मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि मतलब यहाँ पे योगर्ट्स में भी सोगोगी, थक्कोगी, थ्वेजिगोगी हो सकता है. अब फॉर एग्जांपल ये है ग्रीक योगर्ट, या एंड एज यू कैन सी हियर it contains beef. About candies, jellies, 95% इनमें pork होता है because of the gelatin, to make gelatin. मैं आपको बता सकती हूँ इसमें कि नासी it says picnic jelly. Oh yeah, my Korean. So it says milk, and here it says veggie. So sour candy, but it contains beef. Because especially the pibrick one, it is easy to see because you can see here the last line. Here it says what it contains, here, and down here also. This one, spicy tuna mayo. I've tried this. Oh my god, I love kimbap. Here, this tuna mayo. Like, how obvious do you want it to be? So before ending the video, I want to show you the weather. It's raining. सुबह से बारिश हो रही है कोरिया में, हेजॉन में, and yeah, still raining till now. It's currently 2 a.m. and yeah, it's raining. Bye bye. So, yeah.